Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is a prediction that keeps recurring within the Nigerian space. A lot of people are convinced that this is going to happen at some point, and the former INEC chairman, Professor Jega, has brought it up again. So with that guys, I bring you this. CIA's prediction on disintegration of Nigeria will come to pass if not taken seriously. And this is Jega saying this. CIA's prediction on disintegration of Nigeria will come to pass if not taken seriously. And this is attributed to Professor Attihiru Jega. So now let's see what the former INEC chairman has to say. Former chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC, Attihiru Jega, has stated that U.S. Central Intelligence Agency CIA's prediction on the disintegration of Nigeria might come to pass if not taken seriously. Speaking at the Tell Magazine's 20th Year of Democracy conference in Abuja on Wednesday, October the 23rd, Jega said there has been some reversals on the progress of the country made during the 2015 election, and INEC's integrity must be worked on ahead of the 2023 election. So this is what he said. This is how he worded it. The CIA thought 2015 was the do-or-die period for Nigeria, that there would be no Nigeria in the way that you know it after the 2015 general election. That has come to pass. So that should be that has come and passed, but it's written that has come to pass. But I think if we do not take care, a lot of these predictions will come to pass. That is why we need to do a lot, much more than we have ever done, in order to protect the integrity of the electoral process before 2023, he said. The clearest evidence of this loss of trust and confidence is declining voter turnout in elections since 1999. For example, people have argued that in 2015, the generalized insecurity was a result of the activities of Boko Haram have been responsible for the low voter turnout regardless of the improvements in the electoral process. Now, that sentence is not properly constructed, but that is how it was written. The postponement of elections in both 2015 and 2019 may be some explanation as to why there was voter turnout, he added. So that should be there was low voter turnout. So this is a badly written thing, but you get the gist. So that is what he's saying. What he's saying essentially is that the voters are losing confidence in the voting system because, of course, the way the Nigerian elections are being run since effectively 2019 has led to the point that the Nigerian voter has now almost completely lost faith in the system. And you can see why he's saying this, because if you look at the last election as an example, the voters turn out, they vote for a certain person, but then the people who feel that it is their decision to decide on who is going to rule that country will discount completely what the voters have voted for and install whoever they like there. We saw that in Osun State, we saw that in Ekiti State, we saw that in virtually all of the states, including the presidential election, which of course a lot of people will tell you that Atiku was the person that the Nigerian people voted for, but who do we have as the president now? It's Buhari, of course. And then a lot of people will also tell you that Buhari did not even meet the minimum qualifications to contest for that election, but he went ahead and contested anyway. And you all know what the system is in Nigeria. I don't really need to explain that to anyone. So it's not so much a case of voter apathy, it's a loss of faith in the system. So the people are now getting slowly to that point where they believe that their vote counts for absolutely nothing, and if they feel that their vote counts for absolutely nothing, then there's absolutely no point in going out to vote. Conversations in the comment section. The former INEC chairperson has now come out in the public space to query again the sort of elections that were running in Nigeria. But what says you? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what we are passing off as democracy in Nigeria. Does it fit the description? Come tell me all about that in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join me in the comment section. But here I say peace.